Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan pumpkin bread and a gluten-free option too. This pumpkin bread is so good, it's really hard to tell that it's vegan and gluten-free. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Lightly grease a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan and set it aside for now. Into a large mixing bowl, add in the pumpkin puree. Make sure it's pure pumpkin and not pumpkin pie mix. Organic cane sugar. I'll talk about it in just a second. Organic brown sugar. The reason you use organic sugars is because regular white sugar tends to have bone char added in the refining process, which makes it white, and of course it's not vegan. But organic sugars are never refined or processed, so they're always vegan. Dairy-free yogurt, melted vegan butter, vanilla extract, and apple cider vinegar. Whisk them until they're combined. And set it aside for now. Then into a medium bowl, add in the 1-to-1 gluten-free flour. Any 1-to-1 gluten-free flour will work. I'll link to some of my favorites in the description box. You can also use regular all-purpose flour if you don't need it gluten-free. Pumpkin pie spice. I'll put a recipe in the description box so you can make your own. Baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them until they're combined. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and mix until it's just combined and there's no more dry flour. Try not to overmix the batter, lumps are fine. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Level out the top. And bake it in the oven for about an hour until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. When it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Then turn it out of the pan onto a cooling rack and let it cool a little longer. And you can serve it still warm or at room temperature. And that's how to make a vegan and gluten-free pumpkin bread. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a like and check out my channel for many more videos and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.